opening a bank account in Singapore in 2024 and 2025. Singapore is one of the world's financial centers and home to many of the major banks. Opening a bank account, however, largely depends on the type of your corporate entity, its country of registration and operation, industry, beneficial owners, and many other factors. Banks are very demanding nowadays. In recent years, Singapore banks have tightened their due diligence, mainly due to more demanding global regulations like anti-money laundering and tax transparency laws. This means opening a bank account can be a more challenging task, especially for foreign companies. For local businesses, opening a bank account is generally easier. It typically takes 2 or 3 business days for a local company to get an account with major banks like DBS, UOB or OCBC. Foreign-owned companies, even those registered in Singapore, however, face stricter processes. Banks assess factors like company's country of registration, business activities, and ownership structure. The process can take 4 or 6 weeks, particularly for companies without a strong local presence or operating in high-risk sectors. To avoid long and complicated account opening process, businesses can choose fintech solutions for faster and more flexible banking options. In Singapore, top alternatives include Aspire, a leading choice for startups, and it offers fast onboarding, few hours to a couple of days, with no initial deposit requirements. Airwallex, known for its multi-currency accounts that allows its clients to store in up to 50 currencies. It's an ideal option for businesses with international clients as it provides efficient cross-border payments. ANEXT Bank, a new, fully licensed digital bank in Singapore that focuses on SMEs, providing streamlined banking services with low fees and faster account setup. These platforms allow businesses to manage transactions easily, though they may lack some of the more traditional banking services. There is, of course, always a place for pros and cons when it comes to different banking options. Traditional banks: advantages, stability, potential access to credit, wide range of financial products. Disadvantages: lengthy onboarding process, higher fees, and stricter requirements, especially for foreign-owned businesses. Online banks and payment systems. Advantages: quick setup, lower fees, flexibility, and seamless integration with online payment processors. Disadvantages: limited access to traditional banking services such as cards, integration with merchant service providers, loans, or physical branches. Opening a bank account in Singapore in 2024 or 2025 remains achievable, but it's essential to prepare thoroughly, especially if you are a foreign company owner. Whether you opt for a traditional bank or a digital alternative, Singapore's financial landscape offers plenty of opportunities for businesses to achieve their goals.